Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google account to Claude AI. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Claude login page. Using the official site is important so you know you're signing in securely and accessing the correct platform. Once the page loads, you should see the available sign-in options. From there, sign in with your Google account. This is the part where Claude links your access to Google, so simply choose the Google sign-in option and continue through the login screen. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this may happen quickly. If not, just follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. After you're inside Claude, look near the search bar or prompt area for a plus button. Click that plus icon to open additional options. This button is typically used to expand tools or bring up features related to files, integrations, or connected services, so it's the starting point for finding Google-related connections. Next, click Add Connectors. This opens a section where Claude lets you connect outside services and tools. Connectors help Claude work with information from other platforms, and this is where you'll manage those connections. Once you're in the connectors area, choose the Google-related connector or any connector you want to connect, then click the plus sign button beside it. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct option. Depending on what Claude currently supports, you may see one or more Google services listed. After that, continue by following the on-screen prompts. The exact screens can vary depending on your account status, browser, or permission settings. So just read each prompt carefully and approve the connection when appropriate. In most cases, you'll be asked to allow access so Claude can use the connector properly. If you want to double-check or manage the connection afterward, go to the bottom left area of the screen and click Settings. Inside Settings, look for a Connectors or Integrations tab. This section is useful for reviewing what's already connected and confirming that everything was set up successfully. Finally, find the Google connector and enable the Connect button if it isn't already active. Once it's turned on, your Google connector should be linked and ready to use inside Claude. As a quick tip, if something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or reopen settings and check the connector status again. Small delays can happen while permissions finish syncing. That's it. You've now connected your Google account to Claude AI.